We all know Doge started as a joke, but although it was once a meme, it's actually turning into a valuable asset that is held by millions of investors. It's not too long ago that the currency started trading, and since then, it's gone from being close to nothing, some will say even worthless, to trading at 36 cents. Now, for anyone who knows virtually anything about Doge, you know it's one of those cryptocurrencies that no one saw coming. Actually, I don't think there's any cryptocurrency like Doge, because it's very affordable, it can be traded and bought by anyone, and it's a hedge against inflation. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If this is your first video on the channel, please consider subscribing and turning on post notifications. Before Doge Day and a flurry of surges in the markets, the currency was trading at historic lows, and nobody thought they'd actually make money from Doge. Most people were decrying the currency, even as a bad hedge for inflation, as there were plenty of issuances. On the one hand, one can say this caused the price to fall, as there was a significant portion of the currency in circulation, while the number of people who were buying into the currency was not rising fast enough. This appears to be changing, and the number of people invested in the currency has grown, as many people realize they don't need to be millionaires to hold this digital asset. Take Bitcoin, which currently trades at $56,000. This is incredibly expensive, and most people cannot afford these prices. Not even Litecoin is affordable in these COVID times. Trading at 36 cents, some people will argue that it's a bit premature to say that the currency is doing just fine. We've obviously spoken about the Doge CEO Elon Musk, who's not stopped tweeting about the cryptocurrency. However, it seems that there are several experts that are coming out of the woodwork to talk about Doge perhaps a bit more seriously than we've been hearing across financial markets. The Dogecoin phenomenon is actually familiar to GameStop's Reddit-driven trades that caused a frenzy in financial markets and reverberated across the world. Clearly, we all saw what happened when traders went against hedge funds that were offloading their positions. It was like a modern-day Robinhood, but equally shows just how powerful the internet has become. However, I don't think it's fair to compare Doge to GameStop. The reason is simple. People don't invest in Doge in order to crash the price of other cryptocurrencies. If that were the case, I'm sure billionaire investors like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban would have simply just taken huge positions and waited until the price rose sufficiently for them to make an extra buck. Doge actually grew into prominence due to a cute meme of a dog that took over the internet, and the currency actually became known across investment circles. Doge grew organically, and no profit motive could imperil other asset classes as its price was low. So what caused Doge to rise, and why is everyone talking about it? The simple answer is, I don't know. Perhaps we should take a look at Elon Musk's and Mark Cuban's Twitter accounts. They have tweeted about the currency several times. Also, I think it's pretty safe to say that while the Tesla boss has definitely helped the currency gain ground in financial markets, the fact that it is a cute dog on a coin means we should not underestimate the power of memes. There was an article on Business Insider recently which said, and I quote, "Social media momentum has led to impressive gains for a digital asset that was created as a joke. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit have likely caused the currency to soar. Also, Doge has performed quite well in the last few weeks and months. If you take a look at our previous videos or charts, you'd find that the currency has taken the cryptocurrency market by storm. Essentially, it's rallied by 8,000% so far this year. This evening was actually major for Doge. This is because 9 experts have come out and actually spoken about the currency. So why don't we take a look at who has said what and the implications for Doge. According to Richard Smith, investment and risk expert, Dogecoin is a lighthearted and authentic community built upon a serious cryptocurrency infrastructure. It fills a niche that Bitcoin and Ethereum do not. Its lightheartedness also makes it perfect for sending a message to the current financial establishment, which is anything but lighthearted. The more that the financial establishment is dismayed, the better. This is very true, as the financial markets are dominated by large corporations and individuals with high net worths. These individuals determine the process of assets via traders and institutions that take huge positions. Hence why we got the whole GameStop debacle. This only happened because what was deemed unfair by some people turned into investor activism. So Doge is lighthearted fun, but it equally is the kind of currency that the masses can invest in. So in some ways, Doge is a social good that is attempting to democratize finance. Another expert, Thomas Berfumo, head of business operations and strategy at Kraken Digital Asset Exchange, weighed in. He said, and I quote, "The overarching narrative behind the coin's 30 times run this year is a protest against systemic inequities in the traditional financial industry. Dogecoin is, after all, the original meme asset. This is an extension of the value that cryptocurrencies derive from vibrant and growing communities that give rise to network effects." The network effect that he talks about here is what's causing the price of Facebook and Google to skyrocket. This means many more people are using the currency, which is causing its price to rise precipitously. That's not bad for a meme currency that's known for its dog-faced coin. Ben Weiss, CEO at Bitcoin ATM operator CoinFlip, said many people view Doge as the people's cryptocurrency because it was created as a joke. Major players and corporations are unlikely to buy in and manipulate the market or understand that it could be a viable currency. Elon has echoed this sentiment. These factors have created a perfect storm for Doge, pumping the price to where it is today. Joining the crypto frenzy, other experts equally weighed in. Jason Lau, the chief operating officer at OKCoin, an exchange based in San Francisco, said that while the Coinbase listing brought attention to crypto as a whole, for Doge, it was a combination of Elon Musk's tweets as well as Wall Street Bet's recent interest in crypto that has really kicked off this rally. He emphasizes the fact that the currency is the preferred meme of billionaire investor Elon Musk, which has caused its price to rise. Eric Berman, senior legal editor of U.S. finance at Thomson Reuters Practical Law, said that Dogecoin is gaining traction because it's still relatively cheap, and people who may feel like they missed out on the upside of Bitcoin are thinking that perhaps this is their shot. Berman added the sentiment seems to be Bitcoin is for the wealthy, Ethereum for the middle class, and Dogecoin is for the people. This explains the differences in price, as the number of people invested in Doge are those whose incomes are unable to afford more pricey currencies. We've spoken about why Doge is likely to outperform over the long run in other videos, and this is one of the reasons we gave. Feel free to take a look at previous videos for more details on this. Maria Stankovic, the Chief Business Development Officer at the crypto exchange XMO UK, said, "I am quite confident that there is no real background to the current phase of Dogecoin's growth. The rate is currently related to the general mood of investors on the crypto market and is a kind of indicator of the emotional state of market participants, reflecting their expectations." Roshan Patel, a vice president at the digital currency prime broker Genesis, said it's a testament to how far narratives, mimetic themes, and flows drive markets rather than fundamentals. In the old paradigm, the fundamental value would provide a magnet for prices to gravitate towards. In the new paradigm, it's all about flows. The order book, the buyers, and the sellers. David Kimberley, an analyst at the UK investing app Freetrade, says investors are looking for a fun bet. The latest uptick in Dogecoin's price isn't indicative of any meaningful value the cryptocurrency offers. It's just a surge in interest from people looking to get rich quickly. That can make for a fun bet, but it's not good investing. And if you're the one left holding on to the coins when the market tanks, you may regret taking a punt in the first place, he said. Finally, Michael Kammerman, CEO of the Scandinavian-owned brokerage Skilling, said it's moved by headlines, tweets, celebrity, or corporate endorsements, and while that's likely belittled by traditional investors, it's what brings the masses to cryptocurrencies. The masses understand headlines, tweets, and endorsements, and the masses will likely mature as crypto enthusiasts and begin to appreciate the movement for its more technical nuances. So this is all pretty cool and shows that financial experts are looking up. They're beginning to notice Doge, which is a good thing, and it's likely to do well going forward. Not because the experts say so, but because the currency is literally the definition of democratic finance. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you've made it this far, please consider leaving a like on the video, maybe sharing it with your friend, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing!